In order to generate a complete point cloud, it's often necessary to combine scans taken at different times, or scans from multiple sensors. This is known as point cloud stitching. A good example of this is when scanning around a large moving object. It's desirable to use multiple sensors to be able to see all the way around an object, and it's also desirable to use a profile scanner to take advantage of the speed and simplicity of this type of scanning when the object has a known motion. To create one common point cloud, it's necessary to reference each scan both spatially and temporally to a common coordinate system. The Cartesian XYZ coordinate system is most common, but cylindrical, spherical, or any other coordinate system that can define a location in 3D space can be used. There are methods for referencing multiple point clouds together by identifying common features among the different data sets and running an optimization algorithm. But in online industrial applications, it's most common that the scanner or scanners are set up and calibrated to the system in advance, so that everything is referenced to a single base coordinate system. This is to minimize computation lag and to have a known truth of how the data is being represented for subsequent processing tasks.